Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day and I hope all of you had a wonderful holiday with friends and family. I know that I did. So I did a poll on Instagram and I asked if you guys wanted to see what I got for Christmas, and a lot of you said you did, so I aim to please. Now I do want to put a disclaimer out there. In my opinion, the holiday season is all about spending time with family, friends, and loved ones. It's not about material things or items that you get. What's most important in life is your family and the people closest to you. So these are just kind of extra items, you know, and by no means are they necessities or anything like that, but I know that I think it's fun to watch, and I know a lot of you said that you wanted to see that as well. So I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. By no means is this in any way a bragging video or anything like that. Again, a lot of you said you wanted to see it. I know I like watching videos like that, so it's just, you know, for fun, that type of thing. So anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what I got for Christmas, then keep watching. So the first thing I want to show you that I got that I was actually really excited about are these women's training gloves. So I don't know if I told you, I think I mentioned it in a recent vlog of mine, but I go to this place where, you know, they have you do a lot of burpees and using the bar and stuff, and I actually tear up the palms of my hand. It's actually healing a bit. You can't really see it too much, but about a week or two ago, I completely busted both my hands open and they were bleeding. And I used to have a pair of gloves, but I can't seem to locate them. So my husband and daughter bought me these little gloves. They're my favorite color, which is turquoise. So basically, I think they got them from Kmart, so they were pretty inexpensive. They were maybe like, you know, $9.99, something like that. You just put them on like this, and it'll just protect the palm of your hand. It's just very padded right here. So these I thought would come in handy, and like I said, they're really, really cute. So hopefully these will protect me from busting my palms open again, but this is definitely a necessity, and it was an item that I truly, truly appreciate. Moving on, my husband got me these pair of Kate Spade earrings from Bloomingdale's. Now this was one of the items that was on my Christmas wish list. They are the Kate Spade gumdrop earrings, and they're in the Opal Glitter shade. Now it might be kind of hard to see. Okay, I don't know if these are going to focus, but you can see these are just a beautiful opal color, and they have glitter, and they're just a little bit iridescent, and when you move your head and it shifts a little bit. These were $38, but I love these little gumdrop earrings. I just think they go with so much, and this was definitely on my Christmas wish list, so I was so excited to open these up on Christmas. Okay, moving on. So I mentioned in my Christmas wish list video that when I'm at work, I try to drink a lot of water, and you guys know how much I love marbles, so my husband bought me this Sorel bottle. I think it's how you pronounce it, Sorel or Swell. And this is what it looks like. It's stainless steel and it's insulated, so it's going to keep your water cold or warm depending on what you're drinking. And I just thought this is perfect to have with me at my desk at work, whether I'm drinking coffee or whether I'm drinking tea or whether I'm drinking water. And on top of that, it is very stylish as well. So this was another item I was really, really excited about getting, and it's definitely a necessity. Okay, so this was by far my favorite present this year, and at my daughter's school they have a little holiday shop, and what you do is you send money in with your kids and you make a list. So me, my husband, my parents, and then banks, and it kind of teaches your kids, they have money, they have a budget, and they can go shopping for their parents, so they get to pick something out. And this was so incredibly special to me, and I was so excited. My daughter got me this little mug that said "Mom makes life sweet," and the reason this was so sweet is not only did she pick it out, but I love candy, and on top of that, I'm a big tea drinker. So this had cupcakes and candy all over it, and it said "Mom makes life sweet." And these gifts, if you are mothers or fathers out there, you know how special gifts like this are. Not only the homemade gifts, but also if they pick gifts out themselves. So this by far was one of my most favorite gifts. So when I'm at work every day and I'm drinking my tea, I can look at this and I can think of my daughter, and I'm just so excited. Holiday shop is such a good idea for kids because it teaches them how to budget, and it teaches them that the true meaning of Christmas is obviously giving to others. So I think that was really, really sweet, and I just love it. Okay, another item that I got was a Home Goods gift card. if you've been watching me for a long time, you know my love affair with home goods. I love it, not only for like Christmas decor, Easter decor, Valentine's Day decor, but regular home decor. They have the most stylish items, but they're so affordable. So I got a home goods gift card, so I cannot wait. This is probably going to burn a hole in my pocket, but I'm really excited when I put some of the Christmas decorations away to see what new items I can find. So this was definitely a great gift for me. Another little stocking stuffer I got was a Sephora gift card. So of course, you guys know me, you know how much I love Sephora. This is for 25 bucks, so I love it because if there's anything I need, I can just run to the mall, pick up something really quick. Love Sephora. You can't go wrong with Sephora. Okay, one item my husband got me, but I'm probably going to be returning, not only because of the price, but just, well, I'll show you. It's these are the Varley leggings, and they're in the marble print. Now they're beautiful and they're really soft and smooth, but for me, they were kind of pricey, and then on top of that, I thought to myself, you know what, I don't know how frequently I'm gonna wear them. So I wear a lot of black leggings. I have a ton of them because they match with a lot, and these, I just feel like they would get dirty a lot. I don't feel like I would wear them that often, so I told my husband, I'm like, you know what, I was like, these are kind of expensive, and I know I put them on my Christmas wish list, but I would just rather you either have the money back or me, you know, spend it on something that I can really, really use. So even though I got these are the one item that I probably am going to return, and I'm going to exchange them for something else. So I will keep you posted because I just don't feel like for the money that I was going to get a lot of use out of them. But just my opinion, but they still are very beautiful leggings. Okay, and this was something my husband got me from Amazon. It was something I wanted, but I don't think I mentioned it in the Christmas wish list. But it is this book right here. It's called Girl, Wash Your Face. I've heard so many people read this book, and it's just, it's a book about women becoming who they were meant to be. I've heard nothing but good things, so I can't wait to sit down and read this. And I am just super, super excited to read this book. And here's just a little snippet. Do you ever suspect that everyone else has life figured out and you don't have a clue? If so, Rachel Hollis has something to tell you. That's a lie. So I'm just really excited to read this book. If any of you have read this book and you like it, let me know in the comment section. And once I read it, I would definitely have to give you my feedback, but I am super excited about this book. Guys, this was probably also one of my favorite gifts. You know how much I love to bake. So my husband got me this Trudeau. This is a 12 muffin pan. Now it's interesting, I didn't realize it was rubber, but it is rubber, but you can see it has this beautiful marble coat, but it is, it's very flexible, and it is, like I said, it's rubber, which I didn't expect. I thought it was going to be more firm. But I'm super excited. I love to make cupcakes, so I thought this would be perfect to make them. And this was, I want to say it was like $27.99, but because I love marble and they have a marble kitchen, I just thought it would go really nice. So I was super excited about that. A couple more things. I love Amazon. My grandma sent me this Amazon gift card, and I think this is one of the best gift cards you can get someone because you can get anything off of Amazon. Makeup, toiletries, you name it. So I am super excited about this. I think I might use this to either add something to my beauty room. I have a rug in here that's getting kind of dirty, so I'm thinking about replacing it, or I might get another, you know, I might get like a new chandelier or something. I'm not sure yet. But if you guys do, speaking of which, if you want to see like an updated tour of my beauty room or my beauty space, let me know, and I would definitely be sure to do that. Not a whole lot has changed from last time, but if it's something that you want to see, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to. But anyway, love Amazon. You can get anything on Amazon. This is such a good gift. Saving some of the more luxurious items for last. This was an item my husband got me, and I was actually shocked. Like, my jaw dropped when I opened it. It was on my Christmas wish list, but I didn't think that I was actually going to get it because he doesn't usually buy stuff like this for me, because I kind of prefer to buy it for myself, because if it is a little more pricey, I'm kind of like, tell me if you guys are like this, but I prefer to spend the money on stuff like this. I don't really want him wasting his money on it, so whenever he does give me something like this, I kind of feel bad. but I love it. He got me this Burberry card holder. Now, I just love the classic. This is more of like the vintage print, but I love this because this is perfect if you're on the go. You can throw this in your purse if you don't want to carry a wallet. Now, I am going to probably use this as like a gift card holder. Of the way it looks. I think it looks so beautiful, and of course it's going to be very special to me because my husband got it for me, but I thought it'd be perfect to put gift cards in. You see it has a space right here. It has 2 slots on each side, and then it has a spot in the middle. So I was definitely super excited about this, and I can't believe you actually got it. I'm so appreciative. But I absolutely love Burberry. I feel like it's just a nice classic print. Oh, next 2 items I want to share are actually items that I guess you could say I treated myself for Christmas. So I got a little bit of Christmas money. So I wanted to put it towards something I really needed, and I really needed a new pair of winter boots. So I got these right here. I just thought these were so cute. I thought they would look nice with my Burberry scarf. They are rubber soles at the bottom. And I don't know, I've never had like a really nice pair of winter boots. I was torn between this color, or I was torn between the black. I usually gravitate towards black, so I thought I'd get this color because it's a little different. And it has the faux fur at the top of the boot. Like I said, it has the rubber sole, and I just thought it was super cute. So I treated myself to these. I got them from Bloomingdale's. And the final item that I want to share, and this is something that was on my Christmas wish list, but I didn't want anyone to buy it for me because it was a little pricier, but it was something that I treated myself to because it's something I'm going to use every day. You guys might know what I'm talking about, but it's something from Louis Vuitton. So I am big into organization and planning, and every year I have a planner. I write things down, I plan things out, but I wanted like a little planner that I could put in my purse. So this is actually something I've had my eye on for a long time. Comes with a dust bag. It is this little Louis Vuitton planner right here, and I just got it in the typical monogram. And when you open it, it has a spot over here for credit cards, and then it has a little folder right here, and then it has 6 rings. The only bad thing about this is you have to buy the insert separate. Now on the Louis Vuitton website, they charge you like $55. I said, oh no, I'm not going to buy that one. I'm just going to buy one off of Amazon, and then every year I can change this. So this is nice and sturdy. It'll fit in my purse perfectly, and it'll help keep me organized. And this is an item, like I said, I'm going to use every single day. I can never be too far from my planner, and every single year, you know, I'm buying a new one, and I just thought that it was time for me to invest. Like, this is just a nice classic piece to have in my collection, and I'm really excited about this. So this was something that I treated myself to as a Christmas gift. So yeah guys, so that's everything that I got for Christmas. I had a wonderful Christmas, and like I said, the only thing I probably will return the leggings, and I will probably exchange that for something. I might end up getting a highlighter that I wanted, or I might put it towards something else. I haven't decided yet. He got that from Bloomingdale's, and I also have a Bloomingdale's rewards too. So sometimes what I like to do, I have the rewards. I like to also wait till they have a sale and kind of combine everything together because I love getting deals. But yeah guys, so that was everything that I got. I had a wonderful Christmas with family and friends, but as I stated before, these items are just material. They don't truly matter. What really matters in life are your friends and family and your loved ones. That is what's most important. So if you have any questions at all about anything I mentioned today, let me know. And like I said again, I will be sure to link everything down below. I think he got most of the items from Bloomingdale's, and if I can't find it on the Bloomingdale's website, I'll try to link it below or find it wherever he got it from. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Instagram is where I usually post stories advertising if there's a new video, and I also post tons of pics on there as well. So have a fabulous day. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you had a wonderful holiday too.